Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to make your Notion pages pop with a bit more personality, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create cool callout boxes in Notion. These are fantastic for highlighting important notes, making lists stand out, or just adding a creative touch to your workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use Notion's callout feature to instantly boost the look and clarity of your pages. Let's dive in. First up, head over to the Notion page where you want your callout box. You don't need to hunt through the menus for this. Notion makes it super simple. All you have to do is type /callout right into your page. The slash command is a bit like a magic trick in Notion. As soon as you start with the slash, you'll see a menu pop up with tons of options. This saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth. So just type that command, then select callout from the menu. It'll instantly drop a new callout box wherever your cursor was. Now let's talk about the icon. When your callout box first appears, Notion will give you a default icon, but you're definitely not stuck with it. If you click right on that icon, you'll get a whole palette of choices. Feel free to swap it out for something that matches the vibe or content of your note. You could use a light bulb icon for a bright idea or a warning sign if you're flagging something urgent. Taking a moment to pick the right icon is worth it because it gives viewers an instant visual cue. Think of it like picking the right emoji in a group chat. The icon helps set the tone for your message. After you've chosen your icon, there's another way to customize the box: color. There's a little color option on the callout itself. Click that and you'll be able to change both the background and the text color. This feature makes your callouts really pop off the page and can signal importance, urgency, or just add a splash of creativity. For example, you might choose a calming blue background for a helpful tip or a bold red if you're calling attention to a critical deadline. And if you're working late, a softer color can be easier on your eyes. Play around with the colors until the box feels right for your content. Don't worry if you want to tweak it later, you can always go back and make changes. Now for the heart of your callout, what do you actually want to say? Click inside the box and simply start typing your text. You can use the callout for anything: a headline for a new section, a reminder for something important, or just a fun note to yourself. Because the callout stands out visually, whatever you write here will be easier for you and others to find. If you want to use it as a header, type your main point clearly and concisely. If it's a note, maybe add a quick detail or two explaining why the box is important. Even a short message looks more polished when it sits inside a callout, and that's really all there is to it. Once you're done, you've got a stylish, eye-catching callout box that makes your Notion page more organized and engaging. This step-by-step process can be repeated anywhere in Notion, so feel free to experiment with different icons, colors, and messages to see what fits your workflow best. If you found this Notion hack helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've discovered your own creative uses for callout boxes. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. See you next time.